Hey, welcome to the official Windows 8 channel, and this is a video to help you understand a little bit how the file system works in Windows 8. It's pretty much the same as Windows 7 and Windows Vista, and has some resemblance with Windows XP. Windows 8 is a transition towards a new file system that will be WinFS, which is slowly getting away from folders and stuff like that, files, folders, and file extensions, and going more towards the system that's kind of more like a iPad style system. So as you are using your computer, future versions of Windows 8 will actually change the file system to a point where there just won't be any folders and files scattered through the computer, and more you'll be into a system where your files and your stuff will be more of, I would say, attached to the apps that you're using. So things will hopefully be simplified. But one of the things that people don't understand much is how and where to get the files and how the folders work. So beneath the start screen in Windows 8, you have the same file system that we were used to in Windows 7 and Vista. And one of the ways you can get this file system is on your start screen. You should have what looks like a folder that's called File Explorer. I have it right here, and if you click on that, it brings you to the desktop version of the desktop mode of your computer, and you'll see that this looks pretty much like Windows 7. And on the left side you have the folders, the libraries as we call them, documents, music, pictures, videos. Any hard drive or any drive or thumb drive shows also on the left panel here with, for example, here we have the drive C, we have new volume, which is a second partition on my hard drive, and all of that is enclosed here. You have their network drive, so if you want to see also the network, if any other computers are available, you can click on the network. And you'll have what is called favorites at the top, which is the desktop, the download folder. Recent places is basically the different folders that you viewed in recent time. In my case, I have a Dropbox icon there because I have Dropbox installed, which is a great way to share files. And there's another way of actually viewing this. People sometimes say, okay, I see them here, but how do I go into these folders, or where do I find the other folders? Well, if you click on your C drive or your main Windows drive, you'll notice that you have your basic folders for Windows. So you have Windows, you have a Windows folder, that's all the Windows files are there. But you see that you have program files x86. These are where programs are installed. If I click there, for example, on program file x86, what's going to happen is I'm going to see all the programs that I have installed that are 32 bits. And if you want to see the 64 bits, then there's a program file for 64 bits that is available right here, and you'll see some 64 bits programs installed also. You can also click on your C drive, and if you're wondering where your folders are, well, you have to go and dig into the users folder. There's a folder called users that you can click here, and you can actually click here. I'll click my name, and you'll see all of your main folders: contact, desktop, download, favorites, links, music, my documents, pictures, searches, and videos. So all of that is over here. So if you click, for example, downloads, you'll see everything you downloaded in your computer. Here I'm in the other folder, I'll click my main folder. So if you click downloads, you'll see everything that you downloaded. For example, here, if you click my documents, you'll see all the documents that you have in your computer. Is the same as going into the document library here. It's the same thing. People often mistake, say, well, I have two my documents. I don't understand. You have one. It's just that this is a different way of viewing the same thing inside your computer. So remember that going through the C drive or the main drive of your computer, clicking on users and clicking on your username that you have in Windows brings you all to the folders, the basic folders. And one of the main problems in Windows is people don't understand when they download something where it goes, and most of the programs download the files into what's called the download folder. And the download folder is not part of your libraries. So it's kind of hard to get. Sometimes people just don't find it and say, well, I don't know where it is. Of course, you've got a search in Windows that you can use for that. So if you've downloaded something and you don't know where it is, you can go into the charms bar on the right side and then click the name of the file, and it's gonna find it if you click Files. So that's one way you can go through the search through the computer for something you downloaded. If you don't know the name, well, there's a good chance it's in the download folder. So you click your C drive, you go into users, you click your user account, and if you don't see it anywhere else, it's going to be here. You're going to have downloads, and here you'll see everything you downloaded on your computer. So that's basically how it works. Understanding where things are is one of the basic functions of computers. And in Windows 8 they still have the same way of working that they had in Windows Vista and Windows 7. So it's still not, you know, if you're used to using Windows 7, you're not going to be lost by going to the files and the File Explorer. If you can't find your File Explorer, by the way, you can go into the charms bar on the right side of the screen, click the search, and just type File, and you'll see File Explorer show up as an app, because it is an app in the computer basically. So that's a quick look at how files and folders are basically installed in Windows, and how to find them and view whatever folder. So if you're searching for something in your computer, by understanding that by the File Explorer you can go into your different folders, and on the main drive of your computer at least you know how to navigate and try to find something maybe that you're looking for that you've lost. Like I said, one of the main problems is the download folder, that people get a little lost. So if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our channel, and you'll be informed when new videos are online. If you have any comments or questions on what you've seen, let us know, and we'll try to answer any questions that are possible to answer. Maybe you have a feature you'd like us to talk about in Windows, let us know and we'll try to put a video online for you. So hope you enjoy our videos, and come back to the official Windows 8 channel. Bye bye.